Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to schedule a post on your Facebook page. Why would you want to know how to schedule a post on your Facebook page? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook page and not sure how to schedule a post on your Facebook page. So today I am going to show you how to schedule a post on your Facebook page. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Scheduling a post on your Facebook page is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will schedule a post on your Facebook page. First of all, open Facebook app in your device, and if you have mobile phone then do these steps in your browser with the help of desktop mode. And now click on pages in the left corner and then select any page and click on create post and then switch your profile. Now you can schedule your post from Meta Business Suite and then create a post and scroll it and select the time of your post and then click on schedule and your post has been scheduled. So there you go. If you were wondering how to schedule a post on your Facebook page, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.